Craving that Chickenjoy crunch down under? Let's get straight to the point. Is there Jollibee in Australia? As of today, let's check out the official Jollibee website. Head to jollibeefoodscorporation.com and navigate to their store Locator. Here, you can see a list of countries where Jollibee has a presence. Let's quickly scroll through the options and see if Australia makes the cut. Okay, we've got the United States, Canada, UK, Italy. Let's keep going. Vietnam, Singapore, Hong Kong. Doesn't look like we see Australia on the list. So the short answer is no. Currently, there isn't any Jollibee officially in Australia. But fear not, fellow Jollibee lovers, this doesn't mean you're completely out of luck. Keep an eye out for updates from Jollibee. They're always expanding. And there are Filipino restaurants in Australia that might offer some similar tastes. That's it for today. We'll keep you updated if anything changes. Don't forget to subscribe for more food-related content.